What's going on, guys? It is a beautiful day out right now, beautiful Saturday. Today I am going to a big car show at the county fairgrounds, and actually I think I'm gonna head to a little car show in one of these parks. I think I saw on Facebook that there's a little car show at this park up here going down, so check that out. I was gonna post a video last week because there was a Cars and Coffee I went to, but I didn't record on the ride there, so I just decided not to. But yeah, so I'm gonna be riding to the big car show. They expect it to be bigger than last year, and I went to the one last year, and it was, I mean, you could be there for hours just looking around. New cars are showing up like the entire time, so yeah. So riding back to that car show, I'll go check that out real quick. The main car show doesn't start till 11, and it is 9:37, so I don't know, I might stop home. I have a Red Bull waiting for me. Drink that and then head out. Oh my god, that thing is sick. I see this guy in our town all the time. He drives this thing every day. Oh man, it's my dream vehicle right here.
Like my car?
Yeah, it's cool. I love the black and gold.
You don't want to scratch it, don't worry about me.
Half-ton Chevy van, velvet interior. I think it's beautiful. The shaggin' wagon. Oh yeah. 1200R. That was pretty cool. A lot of old people and old cars. I love those little local car shows. I am super excited for the big one coming up though. Got about an hour, but head over there pretty soon. Alright, on our way to the actual car show now. Got fresh tank of gas, fresh battery in the GoPro. Here a little early. What's up? Ooh. She gets hot. Thank you.
just sitting there. The first game, the first girl, within 5 minutes, comes up to her, grabs her.
3 arrests. Oh, look at that Honda Ruckus. Now that... Nah, look at the Ruckus. This is the star of the show. The front end looks crazy.
Dude, all their bikes look crazy.
It looks like a spaceship.
It's kind of wild that they just wrapped that around the tire.
McLaren. It's kind of sick though. Pocket Ferrari. Oh, look at the blue and the carbon. Oh my god. The hood exit too.
Dude.
Dude. Oh my god. That's actually sick. Oh my god, that is awesome. Yeah, no. He was like right in this area. These things were like just legal to import to the US a couple, like 2 years ago.
I don't know. I don't trust them after the whistling diesel video.
Oh, that's 1K. Like imported chasers. I don't know, chasers are cool though.
Fine, but it seems like everybody's a JD on there.
Super.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, that's 15. Got the luxury build over here. Oh.
That's alright.
Oh my god. That livery. Honda Active. I want to get one of these, but I'm going to go to the East Coast to pick it up because they're like 4 or 5 grand cheaper.
Oh yeah, I gotta go to New York every time.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's beautiful.
That's front drive. And this car was normally just a boring car back then. Is it the Corona?
Custom body kit looking thing.
Oh, it's like when the old trucks get stepped out.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I love that.
Volkswagen.
I went past that, but you can't park there.
I literally called Peter.
That's 1,000.
Yeah.
Down there baking in the night.
Another XSR.
Chris is green. Going shooting.
Alright, so yeah, that was the car show. It was pretty cool. Stayed there for till 4. I'm tired. Sun being on me all day, but there's some pretty cool stuff there. There's a lot of bikes. There's probably like 50, 60 bikes at one point. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. you want to show some support, like and subscribe. See you guys later.